Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail haul for you all, and I'm so excited. I absolutely love these videos. So I'm starting off with Enailcouture. I did purchase some goodies from them. So these are the extreme square nails, and I absolutely love these. They are so long, the best square nails I have ever owned, and they're pre-etched. The quality, wow, definitely worth the 20 bucks, and they are just so stunning. I really like them. As you guys can see, the shape is beautiful, the nail is excellent quality, and I heard he came out with like 4XL or 5XL, something like that. And I actually went on the website to purchase them, but they were sold out, so I will wait till those become available again. So next we're moving on to the nail tip box that I purchased from Enailcouture for these particular nails. I decided, you know, I wanted a box for them, so that is what I'm showing you here. And I like how the compartments on the top are a bit bigger than the ones in the bottom. So next we're moving on to some top coats that I purchased. I did purchase 2 of them, and I absolutely have to really admire the presentation of every single product of Enailcouture because it is just so beautiful. This is the top coat, and just look at the detailing in this bottle, the design. It's aesthetically so beautiful. So here I'm just showing you the top coat, and then next I'm going to be showing you the matte top coat because I am a matte queen. I absolutely love how matte nails look, so I definitely wanted to try this one from Enailcouture. And I'm sorry if you guys hear noise in the background. I do live in a building, so it's always really hard to do a voiceover. I just always try my best to not get so much noise on the footage. But yes, look how beautiful this matte top coat looks. It's absolutely stunning. So here I'm just showing you that, and I will move on to some other items from Enailcouture. So here I did purchase all their buffers and files that they had. They're really affordable. They're like 99 cents. So here I am just showing you briefly all of the things that I purchased, and they're really cute. I love, like I said, what I love about Enailcouture is aesthetically they just do such an amazing job even with their files. So I really liked that. And I'm really excited and looking forward to just trying their products. You know, they look really beautiful. So I hope they're as beautiful and great quality as they look. So yeah, I'm just briefly showing you the nail files that I purchased. And I was so impressed. I literally received my order in 2 business days. So that was amazing. I was really happy that I literally received my order in 2 business days. So next here we are moving on to some gummy jelly, which is for rhinestones, to adhere rhinestones. And I actually already used this in one of my, well, actually a couple of my nail sets, and it worked fantastic. Next we're moving on to some monomer I purchased. I did say that I was going to incorporate one day acrylic into this channel, and I'm still not quite ready to, because I decided I am not going to use monomer when I do my acrylic nails, just because I had tried some acrylic off camera with the monomer, and the smell just did not leave throughout the day. My nose got runny. I said, oh no. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't think I was gonna have an effect like that to monomer, but I did. So I'm definitely not gonna be using monomer. I have to find another way or look up some videos of other methods to do so. But here I'm just showing you these 3 acrylic powders that I purchased through Enailcouture, and they weren't really catching the color on camera, unfortunately, but the first 2 were like 2 shades of like a baby pink, and then the last one was white. So that is what is here. And next I did get some brush wipes, which is great because this works for everything, like polygel or gel whatever you're using. This is great, and it was only $1.99. So I definitely wanted to get my hands on these, and the packaging is so cute. So this is one of my favorite things that I purchased through Enailcouture, and this is a flashy lamp, and it's so cute. Literally, it's so adorable. It looks like Hello Kitty. I don't know if it's Hello Kitty, but it's so cute. Look how adorable that looks. So I am so happy that I purchased this and I saw it on their website. I haven't tried any of these things out. I'm just showing you guys what they look like. So yes, definitely in future videos you will see me using these products, and I will tell you if I like them or not. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. Next, I'm moving on to some other goodies I purchased. I purchased this cuticle oil, and let me tell you, when I opened this cuticle oil, it smelled like heaven. I love the way it smelled. And I don't really know how to describe the way it smells. I don't know if it's like a combination between cotton candy and watermelon, but man, this smells so good. And the packaging, once again, the way it looks, so beautiful. I loved it. So I definitely really liked this cuticle oil. Next, I'm moving on to the primer and nail prep. I cannot wait to try it. So pretty as well. So here I'm just going to be showing you this like gem adhesive as well that I purchased through Aliexpress, and you can use it in both ways, either through the brush or the top part, which is a very precise applicator, which I really liked how it gives you the option of one or the other. I have not tried it yet, but I definitely will, and let you guys know if I ended up liking it or not, or if it actually works. I think it was like $2 or $3, so it didn't hurt to try it out. So yeah, I'm just showing you here what it consists of. So next I'm moving on to these female slices, and it just brings a variety of different type of like designs. For example, it brings fruits, it brings desserts. I believe it even brings like leaves and stuff. And this one is so cute. It's literally Mickey's pants, and I literally saw in the advertisement on Amazon that it showed like a Minnie or Mickey, and I was looking for it, but I didn't find any. But here they also include some Hello Kitties with different colored bows. So I thought it was really cute, different little characters as well. So I'm just showing you some of the things that it includes, and I thought it was really cute. So yeah, and I also got it for a really good price on Amazon. So next I'm moving on to some stickers, and these are really pretty because I didn't have anything like this, and they're just glittery, different sized stickers in all different colors. So I'm just going to be showing you everything here, and I did purchase these through Amazon, and they come in individual miniature Ziploc bags. So I think that was pretty neat. I could definitely use those Ziploc bags for something different, and I will have another organizational video coming along with the haul, a 2-in-1 video. I just been trying to keep up with everything because I am trying to upload as much as possible. So yeah, I'm in the works of doing that. I know you guys really enjoyed it. So next I'm moving on to these striping tapes, and they're so cute. I love how it just brought a combination of so many. It was such a huge variety. This time around I really found great things on Amazon for a great price, so I will have everything linked down below for you all if you're interested in purchasing anything that you saw in today's nail haul. So yeah guys, I hope you're enjoying so far, and like I always mention in every video, thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and for taking the time to watch my content or like this video or leave a comment down below. It really means a lot, and none of this would be possible without you guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you, because you know we all start from somewhere, and I'm just really grateful for everyone who enjoys my content, or that I inspired in some way, shape, or form, or made their life easier. So thank you to each and every one of you. So next we're moving on to these nail art brushes, and if you notice, the heads on these nail art brushes are different, and these are particularly for like nail art. I think flowers, something like that, or roses, or just nail art in general. So I'm really excited to use these. I really have to look more into what they're for, but yeah, here are just different heads of what they look like for different designs that you can create. So I thought this was really neat. I hadn't owned any of these before, so I was really happy I came across these. So yeah, here I'm just showing you briefly all the ones that it includes. So lastly, I have some nail art stickers that I purchased through Aliexpress, and they're really beautiful and cute. These are like Disney princesses and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's nail art haul. This is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Thank you guys so much once again. Till next time.